The purpose of this video is to find p of x if x plus 2 over 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals 5/28 minus 47/28 squared times x minus 3 plus p of x equals x minus 3 to the second power. So in the previous videos we found out this equation and we want to find out this mysterious p of x. If you look at this as, if you cover it, right? If you cover the left side with the smiley mark, and if you cover this r of x part with star, and if you cover x minus 3 to the second power part with hearts, right? We kind of know how we isolate p of x. So what we do is we subtract star. That way we have smiley mark minus star, which equals p of x times heart. And what we're going to do is we're going to divide it by hearts or both sides. So we have p of x equals smiley mark minus star all over or divided by the heart, right? And then if you peel off the sticker, we'll have here smiley mark is x plus 2 all over 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 minus star, which is these guys, so 5/28 plus 47 over 28 to the second power times x minus 3, and then divide this guy by x minus 3 to the second power. That is p of x. So it looks like a lot of work. So let's do it one at a time. This video will be long. So I want to change this part as a little more fraction-ish, which is x minus 3, 28 to the second power. The common denominator of these three is 28 squared times 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. That's going to be the common denominator, and that's going to be the denominator part. The numerator part of it, this guy, you need 2 of this, so 28 squared times x plus 2. This guy, you need 1 of this, 1 of 28, and 1 of 2x squared. So it's going to be minus 5 times 28 times 2x squared plus blah, blah, blah. And then finally we have the numerator part will be 47 plus times x minus 3, and then this guy 2x squared plus dot, dot, dot. So let's clean that up. So we know the numerator is this guy. I mean the denominator. So let's just going to look at the numerator. So we have 28 squared x plus 2. So that is 784x plus, because this is 784, times x times 2. That's going to be plus 1,568. Right here, 5 times 28 times 2x squared is going to be negative 280x squared. And we have what? 3x plus 1. So this 5 times 28 times 3x will give us minus 420x. And then you go 5 times 28 times 1, that's going to be minus 140. Plus this guy, which is 47 times x minus 3 times 2x squared plus dot, dot, dot. Right? So we're going to do just this part, x minus 3 and 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 part by using box method. That's 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. 2x squared times x is 2x to the third. X times 3x is 3x to the second. X times 1. Negative 3 times x squared negative 3 times 3x, negative 3 times 3. Combine like terms, you get 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 8x minus 3. So this is x minus 3 and 2x squared. And multiply 47 by each of these will give us it's going to be 94 x cubed minus 141 x squared minus 376x minus 141. So that's going to be replaced with this part. And then if you combine like terms, we're going to have 94x cubed minus these two negative minus 280x squared and minus 141x squared. Those are like terms, so we'll have minus 421x squared. So I took care of this guy, this guy, this guy. 784, negative 420, negative 420, and negative 376x will give me, that's minus 12x. So I took care of that. And now the final part is 1,568 minus 140 minus 144. Give me my plus 1,567. Oh, this part, it was actually plus. No, this one was minus. I'm sorry. This one was plus. This one was minus. No, it is right. 240. But this is not. This is going to be 1,287. Sorry. So that's the numerator part, which is this part. You got to divide that by this guy. So you got to. That's the numerator. This divided by 28 squared times 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 all over divided by x minus 3 to the second power. So I'm going to do the long division. I'm going to ignore 28 squared times 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 for now. But instead, I'm going to do the long division. Polynomial long division for the numerator we just get, which is 94x squared minus 421x squared minus 12x plus 1,287 divided by expanded version of x minus 3 squared, which is x squared minus 6x plus 9. So I'm going to look at, oh, that's actually cubed right here. So I would need 94x. So that it will match, the leading term will be matched. 94x cubed minus 94 times 6, which is 564x squared, plus 9 times 94, which is 846x. Then I'm going to subtract, so I have to change all signs. Then I'll have 143x squared minus 858x plus 1,287. Now I'm going to look at the leading coefficients of both remainders and divisor and try to make it match. So I need to multiply 143 for it. So I get 143x squared minus 6 times 143x. That's negative 858x plus 9 times 143, which is 1,287. Subtracting, and of course, I get 0. So this guy right here can be written as, so divide 94 x cubed minus 421 blah blah blah, that numerator divided by x minus 3 to the second power is simply 94x plus 143, and the numerator is that, and denominator doesn't change, so it's 28 squared and 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. That is the p of x. Ooh, that was a lot of work. But we found that the mysterious p of x by using undetermined coefficient method.